Hey, as per my promise, this class is about some basic college algebra. Consider this equation, algebraic equation, 2 to the power x. Now x, which means it's an exponent as you know. So 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x plus keep on adding like 8 times. So we are doing that. And the value according to the given equation is 1. So let's see, 2 to the power x plus 2 to the power x. So we continue doing that 8 times. Okay, let's keep on doing that. Okay, just be patient because I'm doing it on my screen recorder on Android. So I'll be like aligning the space later after I do this, write this equation. So bear with me until then. I'll bring it, make it into a single line later. But it's an interesting one. So this will be based on the exponent rule and properties. So as we know, when you add this x number of times, like in this case, when you're adding it 8 number of times, so according to the exponential rule, so 2 to the power x exponent done 8 times, yeah, or maybe done y times, will be y multiplied by 2 to the power x, yeah, because you've added it that many times. If you've added it 2 times, so it will be 2 multiplied by 2x, and in this case we've added it 8 times, so it should be 8 multiplied by 2 to the power x. So shortening, if we shorten the left hand side, it will be reduced to 8 multiplied by 2 to the power x, where x is the exponent, yeah. So the right hand side has been already provided as 1. So let's solve. What we are trying to do is solve the value and find the value for x, yeah. So let's do this. Okay, let's make it like smaller. Okay. Okay, I think I'm almost done. So I'll be doing a series of lectures on algebra also. And it's very vital for programmers to know a bit of mathematics, which will come in handy for you when you're doing logical reasoning, algorithm and all that. And even if it is not important in your programming career, I would still say it's very interesting in order to do logical reasoning, in order to rev up your brain and logical thinking and relax your mind. Sorry, I love maths, so I think everyone loves maths. But I'll make sure I'll make it so interesting and simple that everyone will start loving it, at least for my classes. I'll like really break it down into very, very simple steps. So here you can see 2 to the power x, how many times added? 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the algebraic equation provided for you equals 1. So left hand side is this, added 8 times. Exponent is x, and you have to, and the right hand side value is 1, and you're supposed to find from here, you have to solve this equation in order to find the value of x. That's the problem statement, yeah. So if x 2 to the power x 8 times added equals 1, what is the value of x? That's the question. So as per the algebraic exponent rule, if you add this 2 to the power x 8 times, so that means 8 multiplied by 2 to the power x equals 1. Simple, right? Okay. Then, now what is 8? This is again following the algebraic exponent property. But before that, let's talk of what is 1. Yeah. Now, whenever, according to the algebraic rule, any number to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 will be 2 to the power 0. In this case, I want to use 2 because it makes it simpler. Then 8, you break it down to 2 to the power 3, because we all know 2 to the power 3 is 8, right? So 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power x, I'm just breaking down and making things simpler, is equals to 1, which is 2 to the power 0. So if everything is 2, it makes it much easier, all the numbers. So now the numbers are same on both the sides. It's just the exponent which is different, right? So now we have to find the value of x. Now, as we know, again, according to the exponent property rule in algebra, if same numbers are multiplied like this with different exponent, then you can add up the exponent. So 2 to the power a into 2 to the power b will be a plus b. So 3 plus x in this case, the exponent. So you can add up the exponents. So 3 plus x equals 0. Because all the base values are the same, you can add up the exponents in this way. Left hand side 3 plus x, right hand side just write the value of the exponent. So 3 plus x is 0 means obviously x is minus 3. So simple, right? There are so many other properties of exponents in algebra that I'll be teaching you in further lessons, and do comment in the comment section if you find this interesting and if you really need it, and if you want me to do more complex maths simplified way, in future lessons. If you really want, let me do. Of course, I'm also going to do Python and React tutorials. Do not worry about that. But I'm so much into maths that I wanted to do some maths lessons also. And I hope you're not a math hater. And even if you're a math hater, I want you to start loving maths, because if you're a coder and if you say you don't love maths, it doesn't look nice. Because I'm sure you want to solve a lot of algorithms, and this will come in handy. And not only that, like I said earlier, for your complex thinking set of nerves, brain cells, this is very important for logical thinking. Okay, so I'll be with this. I'll be seeing you in the next lesson. Do remember to comment in the comment section what you think of this and your whatever suggestions that you want me to teach in the later lessons. See you, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that subscribe button and like and share this tutorial.